So let me ask you something. If a company owes the Treasury $200 million in taxes, and you would like to collect those taxes to help with deficit or spending, correct? But then they can turn around and write off all of that by buying green energy tax credits. How much of that money then of that $200 million is going to come into the Treasury? If I can wipe out my tax liability by buying green energy tax credits, what good does that do in coming into the Treasury?
Well, if the firm is using the transferability feature to buy these tax credits, then another company that we want to benefit from those credits, the stimulus and incentive that they offer, but that lacks sufficient tax liability. This is a way in which we provide.
But we're giving a pass to. Analysis has shown that about 90% of these tax credits are going to go to companies with over $1 billion in revenue. And again, if you're looking to bring revenue into the Treasury to pay for whatever.
Look, it's really the same thing as essentially making the tax credits refundable, which would have been an alternative.
Why would we do that? Why would we give companies like Amazon and Walmart, these major corporations, refundable credits to go spend money in the green energy sector?
Because many of the companies that are responding to the IRA and building the clean energy economy we want to see are companies that lack sufficient tax liability to be able to benefit from these tax incentives.
Wait a minute. Madam Secretary, reclaiming my time, if you're going to go down that road and you're going to say companies lack that tax liability, why are we doing it on green energy and not looking at pharmaceuticals, not looking at other technology? But bottom line, why wouldn't we just say to Amazon, okay, not to pick on them, but they are a highly profitable company. Why not just say, you've got to pay your taxes, and then you go buy a fleet of battery powered vans if you want to. You're cutting revenues. You're giving a tax break to the very people that my colleagues on the other side of the aisle are saying have to go. They want them to pay their fair share, but they're not going to pay their fair share because they're going to go down this. They're going to go down this green energy deal that absolutely undermines our competitiveness. It doesn't make sense. The math doesn't add up. Mr. Chairman, I yield back.